Here is how to naturally improve the appearance of age spots. Take 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline helps lock in skin moisture, which can improve the skin's softness and make it appear smoother. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Rich in antioxidants, polyphenols, and fatty acids, olive oil helps protect the skin from oxidative stress and may help maintain its elasticity. Mix both ingredients thoroughly until you obtain a smooth and creamy texture. With regular use, your skin may appear softer, more supple, and more radiant. Remember to perform a patch test on a small area of skin before the first use. Every evening, apply a small amount to the affected areas and gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes.